So the crypto market is by far the best market in the world to be able to scale your wealth fast. Now, it's also the riskiest market in the world to be able to lose all of your money fast. And that's why we love it, because if you want to scale wealth quickly, you got to be a risk taker, especially at an early age. As an entrepreneur, when I started out at 19 years old, I was willing to take risks because I knew that I'm going to die at some point. So if I don't take any risk, then I'm not going to live a badass life. So the crypto market, not only is it filled with risk, but it's filled with massive reward, and that's why we love it. So in this video, we're going to be talking about meme coins. Now, meme coins absolutely can be as degenerate as possible, but also there are some legit projects in the space like Dogecoin that have proved everybody wrong. And then you've seen other outliers come out like Shiba Inu and even Floki that have produced billion-dollar market caps larger than some of the most legitimate companies in the world. So that can either piss you off or it can pave the way for greatness if you like to learn from what's actually working in the economy today. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to discuss how to discover the next 100x meme coin, leveraging some key tools and resources that will help you do your own research. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Go consult your financial advisor that has a badge that says qualified Harvard graduate if they're a millionaire. If they're not a multimillionaire, get rid of them because they clearly don't know what they're talking about, and hire somebody that's a multimillionaire or even a billionaire that's qualified to give you financial advice. These videos are purely for education and informational purposes only. So always do your own research because crypto is very risky. Like I just said, you could lose all of your money. In fact, when you like this video and you comment 777 below, if you're feeling blessed and you're feeling bullish, you're confirming that you're okay with that risk. You're a full-grown educated adult here and you can take responsibility for your own investments. So with that being said, if you're excited about 100xing your portfolio this bull run before it's too late, yes, this is the last chance. At the time of recording this video, Bitcoin has yet to pass the all-time high. We're going into the halving, and anybody that has been around crypto for a while knows exactly what happens roughly 3 to 12 months after Bitcoin's halving. And if you stick around this channel, that means I might not be wearing pants in future videos because the gains are going to be so astronomical. I'm going to need new pair of pants because I soiled all of my old pair of pants that I had. And I've already made some crazy gains to where I'm going to need some new t-shirts too. So comment 777 if you're feeling blessed, if you're feeling bullish, if you're going to become the first millionaire in your family tree. Confirm it by tapping that subscribe button. Let's run it. All right, bull runners, welcome back to the channel. So if you guys are ready to make some massive gains in the crypto market, specifically within the meme coin space, you can see on coinmarketcap.com, we got Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Dogwoof Hat up 87% the past 7 days, Dogecoin up 40%, and we see Pepe up 5%. Floki up 5%. So certain meme coins are going to move quicker than others, and then they cool off, and then other meme coins are going to move. So as we get further down the list, we're going to see lower and lower market cap meme coins. Now, the real key here to understand is that not every single meme coin that has that 100x potential is going to be listed on a website like CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to share with you some other websites that you can leverage in this video that show these projects before they get listed on centralized exchanges and even CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, so you can spot them before they explode. Now, if you guys do want to see other low market cap projects that are in the meme coin space specifically, a chain that you want to check out is Base Meme Coin. So if you go on CoinGecko, they have more listed. Number one right now is, Brett, it's sitting at $444 million market cap. Then you got Degen, then Toshi, then Dog and Me, Mochi, then a bunch of others further down the list. But there's only, this is what's crazy. There's only one page on CoinGecko, and the total market capitalization is $1.2 billion for Base Meme Coin. So I do think that if this bull run, right, is like last bull run, then meme coins are going to be the craziest performers, bigger than gaming, bigger than even AI. And it's absolutely ludicrous, but you have to take note there. And what we need to do, rather than just going to, you don't just go to coinmarketcap.com and try and find a low market cap meme coin on here. You want to spot them before they even get listed on CoinMarketCap and even listed on CoinGecko. And how you do that is very, very simple. I'll leave a tutorial on this using the link in the description below, talking about the top 10 crypto tools to discover 100x altcoins before they get listed on major centralized and even decentralized exchanges, and even on CoinMarketCap or on CoinGecko. And you do that by going to dextools.io. You can also go to birdeye.so, or you can go to Dex Screener as well too. So I'll leave those resources for you guys below. But when you go to dextools.io, you're going to see the Dex board. You're going to see the recently updated socials. you're going to see the hot pairs, and then you're going to see some new projects. On the left-hand side of the screen, if you click Pair Explorer, then at the top of the screen, you can see this scrolling banner right here that shows some hot pairs right now and some trending projects like BFI, Rio, Pandora, Mog, Shiv, OP, SEC, Grok, Pepe Coin, Floki's on here, GPU, Infra, Bobo. So this is how you can spot a lot of these projects, because you can just simply hover over it, click it, it'll pull up the chart and it pulls up all the information about the project. Like right here, you can see the contract address, the website, the Twitter, any more socials that they might have if they're on CoinMarketCap or if they're on CoinGecko. And then you can find the correct contract address this way by looking to make sure that this is the official project that you're on. There's a lot of scam tokens out there, guys. So you want to make sure that they have adequate liquidity and adequate volume over the past 24 hours. If a project has less than $1 million in 24-hour trading volume, it's very, very risky. So if you want a stronger play, you want to make sure that there's a strong amount of 24-hour trading volume. You want to make sure that the liquidity is locked. And how you do that, on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see where it says Floki, the contract address. You simply copy this, you come over to a website called Token Sniffer, and then you just paste the address right here and it'll pop up, and you just click the name of the token and you'll see a score out of 100. Now, it doesn't necessarily need to be 100 out of 100, but the closer we can get to 100, the more legit the project would be. But when we went to Certic, they're over 90 out of 100 on Certic's audit. So there's multiple things that we need to look at. And as long as the token is sellable, it's not a honeypot, these green check boxes check off. The buy fee and the sell fee is less than 5%. Verified contract source, ownership renounced. We scroll all the way down here. The only red X that they got is at least 95% of the liquidity has been burned or locked for at least 15 days. Well, they have 80% of the liquidity burned and locked. And if we go back to DEX tools and if we look at that and we see how long it's locked for, 12.7% is locked for 975 years. 80.55% is locked for 262 years. So Token Sniffer says 80.54%, which is what DEX Tools reported that was locked for 262 years. However, another 12.7%, so that brings it to like 92%, is locked for another 975 years on Flokify.com. They have over 117 total value locked, over 2,044 total locks, 15 supported blockchains. So this is where projects can securely lock their digital assets. And how it works is really simple. They lock that liquidity pool, securely lock their project's LP tokens for as long as you want with just a few clicks. Their vaults are secure and audited by Certic, and the Flokify brand is well trusted in the industry. You can also lock your NFTs on 15 EVM compatible blockchains. So you don't just want to look at Token Sniffer and just say, oh, it's bad because of this. You also want to verify on DEX tools by hovering over liquidity, clicking this icon right here, and it'll show you where the liquidity is locked. Now, also, you guys can go on birdeye.so and you can see trending tokens right here on a chain that you want. So if you want to look on all chains, it'll show you the most popular ones. But let's say we want to hyper focus on base chain. We just click base and you can see the top tokens right here. And if I just click on view more, aside from trending tokens, there's an entire list of these where we can see the price action within the past 24 hours. We can also see the total value locked. And if we just click on any of these, like let's say number 9 Street, we can automatically see that this project just launched yesterday. And so it had a massive rally up and it's currently seeing a sell-off right now. So we might see this bottom out, form a bottom right here, do something like this on the psychology of a market cycle, double bottom, then go back into a disbelief rally and then a hope stage rally once it's finally cooled off from its initial launch. But if we want more information about this project, we can go over to DEX tools, type in the name, find the official one, and then we can grab the contract address right here on the left-hand side of the screen. We can go to Token Sniffer and we can search this token by pasting it in, click the name of it, and we can see that it got 100 out of 100. Now, if we go back to DEX tools and we click on liquidity, we can see that 97.78% has been locked for 975 years, which is really good. We can see that there's $2.3 million in 24-hour trading volume because they just launched. The only issue that I see right here is the circulating supply says 10 million, the total supply is 10 million. So it's either all in circulation, but the circulating supply was reported by the token's team. So this is kind of goofy because the market cap says $7.26 thousand, when in reality, the market cap is over $7 million. The DEX score is 92 out of 99. The buy tax is 0. The sell tax is less than 0.01%. And another thing that you guys can also do is you can look at the buy and the sell orders, and you can click on total to filter by the highest buy orders and the highest sell orders. And you can see if someone made a sale right here that's selling the project, and it shows a little fish icon or it shows a whale icon, what we can do is we can click on the address right here. We click on the little base logo. It'll take us over to basescan.org, and you click this little drop down right here and you can see how many tokens they have left in their wallet. So if you take the total amount, like they have 25.5 million tokens and you multiply that by the price, which would be 0.00076, you can see that they have $19,380 in their wallet that they could potentially dump at the current price right now. So this is most likely someone that got in at the early stages on this first rally. And so what I would do is look at all of the top people that are selling right now, taking profits, and see how much they have left in their wallets that could be potentially dumped on the markets. Because what usually happens on these launches is the people that buy on these green candles right here, I mean, they're up like a 3, 4, or 5, or even a 10x sometimes. So they're taking profits. And a lot of people that taking profits at the same time, pushes the price action down on the chart. It forms a bottom. And then we see stuff like this take place where it has to regain momentum to see another breakout. So you don't necessarily want to FOMO into a project right out of launch that already has a $7 million market cap, unless you have a really high conviction in the project and you've done your research on the team. In this case, this is just an example, because if we go to the web right here and we look at the website, it's just batestreet.xyz. We scroll down here and it looks like they're copycatting after Sesame Street, but we don't see any information about the team here. So immediately I'm skeptical about this project, but they're doing a pretty good job on the branding. At least the website looks halfway decent. We'd want to go over to their Twitter and we want to see what the engagement is like. They only have 372 followers right here, and it looks like the last post about an hour ago. Decent engagement, but we want to see if these are even real people. So what we do is we click on the 372 followers and we'd see who's following them, if these are any prominent influencers with a lot of people backing their pages. And so for stuff like this is the very, very risky sector of crypto. But for those of you guys that have been asking for it, how do you find these projects? This is exactly how you do it. Now, also, if you want to get exclusive early access to the Underground Guidebook for discovering 100x altcoins in detail, showing you guys some practical and applicable steps that you can take with no previous crypto trading experience to be able to discover that next 100x gem, all you need to do right now is go to bullrunners.com. The link will be in the description below. Click the button on the page, put in your best email address. You'll be instantly subscribed to our daily video newsletter, where we give you the breaking news first before these videos come out, so you can stay in the know. So we give you the best to help you prepare for the worst that's yet to come in this economy, because we believe that the spending power of the dollar is going to keep going down in value. That's a fact based on inflation, blockchain tech, distributed ledger technology, and cryptocurrencies are going up in interest. That's the truth. And you know where we're going. We're going camping on the beaches of the moon. So I appreciate you guys. I will see you on the next video. I also will see you on bullrunners.com. As always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.